Myself, your dear madam, is here to say, stay home, stay safe. We all will be happily waiting for you to see your smiling faces in the corridors of the school and waiting to meet you soon. My dear students, think positive, be creative, and stay active. With this message, all your loving teachers will be giving you a message as we don't have access to online teaching. Hope you all will be happy to see your teachers.
My name is Richa. Today we will learn our poem Johnny Johnny Yes Papa. Johnny Johnny Yes Papa, eating sugar no Papa, telling a lie no Papa, open your mouth ha ha ha. Mummy is near, Daddy is dear, family and me enjoying together. Thank you.
Myself, Kavita teacher from pre-primary section. Let's learn a poem, The Family. This is the father, short and stout. This is the mother with her children about. This is the brother, tall you see. This is the sister with a dolly on her knee. This is the baby still to grow. Here is a family all in a row. This is the place for love and care. This is the place to live together. Stay home, stay safe.
Children, hope you all fine. Sitting at home, I just thought I will give you some rhyming words which you all can practice at home. We have COAT, coat. GOAT, coat. GOAT, coat. In the similar manner, we have LAKE, lake. BAKE, bake. CAKE, cake. I want you to sit at home and practice this rhyming words. Also, I got a message for you. If you look at the board, keep calm and carry on. Stay safe, stay at home, save the world. Thank you.
Let's hope so all of you and your loved ones are doing good. Let's make this lockdown useful and calm. So I would like to introduce 4 learnings which you need to follow in this freedom. They are: learn to listen, learn to read, learn to exercise daily, learn to be skillful. Following this will definitely help you to become smart and strong. And one small request, children, please and please avoid continuous usage of mobile phones for playing games and videos. It will affect your eyes and brains. I wish you all good health and happiness. Thank you.
Hello students, I hope you all are safe. We as a global family are living in an extraordinary time, facing different challenges, but we shall overcome. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome some days. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome some days. May you be tested positive with love, peace, joy, and negative with COVID-19. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. We shall meet soon. Thank you.
We all are at home. I would like to remind you we are not locked in. Rather, we are free and safe in our home. So, being your teacher, I would suggest you to focus on self-learning and invest your time in productive activities like reading, writing, and artwork. Focus on your thinking power and do keep this in your mind. Love your nation, respect everyone, and care for our environment. Because you are the future of India. As our Prime Minister has said, जान है तो जहान है. You take care of yourself,
stay home, stay safe. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
तुम्हाला सुट्टी मिळाल्यामुळे खूप आनंदी आहे. मिळालेल्या सुट्टीचा तुम्ही सदुपयोग करून घ्या. या सुट्टीमध्ये तुम्ही तुमच्या आवडते छंद म्हणजे हॉबी जसे चित्रकला, वाचन इत्यादी. त्याचप्रमाणे तुम्ही तुमचं जनरल नॉलेजही वाढवा. जनरल नॉलेजसोबत तुम्ही गणितातील पाढे एकदम पक्की करून घ्या. मराठी वाचन, लेखन, त्यातील शब्दशुद्धीकरण ते सुद्धा चांगल्या प्रमाणे लिखाणाचं काम करा. मिळालेल्या सुट्टीत तुम्ही तुमच्या छोट्या बहीण भावांसोबत आणि तुमच्या पालकांसोबत छान वेळ घालवा.
विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या आयुष्यात नवे पर्व, नवे यश, नवे आनंद तसेच संकटही येत राहतात. परंतु त्या संकटांना घाबरू नये. आलेल्या संकटांवर मात करणे हे आपलं प्रथम कर्तव्य आहे. म्हणून मिळालेल्या सुट्टींचा योग्य वापर करा. घरात राहा, सुरक्षित राहा, खेळा, मजा करा, अभ्यासही करा आणि आपल्या कुटुंबासोबत एकत्रित वेळ घालवा. धन्यवाद.
Hello students, hope you all are safe at home and utilizing these lockdown days in an effective way. If not, let's start right away by using different applications such as English Grammar or Vocabulary Builder where you could test your skill. Now, newspaper reading updates you about things happening around the world. Apart from developing our reading skills, and watching news enhances your pronunciation skills. Look at the current state of the nation and how we are unitedly struggling to overcome the pandemic disease. Kindly maintain social distancing and take proper precaution so that we can all come back to school soon. Lots of love. Until then, stay home, stay safe.
विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, असं म्हणतात, गिव्ह मॅन अ फिश ही ईट्स फॉर अ डे, टीच मॅन हाऊ टू फिश ही ईट्स फॉर अ लाईफ टाईम. मराठी भाषेची उत्तरं भोकमपट्टी करण्यापेक्षा आपण मराठी भाषाच शिकूया ना. कोणतीही भाषा शिकण्यासाठी 3 महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे असतात. ते म्हणजे वाचन, लेखन आणि व्याकरण. तुम्ही काय करायचंय, तुमच्या आवडत्या विषयाचा कोणताही पॅरेग्राफ, उतारा तुम्ही नेटवरतून काढायचा आहे आणि त्या उतार्याचं तुम्ही वाचन करायचं आहे. वाचन करताना जर तुम्हाला कोणत्या गोष्टी समजल्या नाहीत तर तुम्ही तुमच्या घरातल्या मोठ्यांची मदत नक्कीच घेऊ शकता. वाचन करून झाल्यानंतर त्यातल्या कोणत्याही 5 ओळी तुम्ही तुमच्या जुन्या वहीत लिहून ठेवायच्या आहेत. त्या लिहिताना मात्र तारीख नक्की लिहायची बरं का. त्यानंतर त्यामध्ये आलेले कोणतेही 5 कठीण शब्द जे तुमच्यासाठी नवीन असतील त्या शब्दांचे सुद्धा खाली लिहून ठेवायचे आणि या शब्दांपासून तुम्ही स्वतःची वाक्य बनवायचा प्रयत्न करणार आहात. त्यामुळे तुम्ही या 3 गोष्टींचा सराव मराठी भाषा सुधारण्यासाठी नक्कीच करणार आहात. शाळा सुरू झाल्यानंतर आपण या सर्व गोष्टींचा आढावा घेणारच आहोत. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, असं म्हणतात, काव्यशास्त्र विनोद लेणं कालो गच्छति इव व्यसनेन च मूर्खाणां विपर्यास हीनवा. म्हणजेच बुद्धिमानी माणूस आपला वेळ काव्य आणि शास्त्र याच्या अभ्यासात घालवतो, मात्र मूर्ख माणूस आपला वेळ व्यसन, भांडण आणि झोपण्यात घालवतो. आपण आपल्या वेळेचा नक्कीच सदुपयोग करणार.
365 days, you had 78 compulsory holidays. You must have taken how many days leave for personal reasons? How many days were spent in school activities? Then tell me, how much time you spent for tuition? Yes, you had very little time with your parents. Now see what a golden opportunity to spend time with the parents. This is like our mathematical calculations. Is it not, students? Spend the time wisely with your dear ones. Thank you.
Hello, I am your Samiksha teacher. Students, are you eagerly waiting to listen to the stories of the heroic deeds and to know the important facts of our nation and the neighboring countries? So am I eagerly waiting to see you all in the classroom, waiting for the recess bell to ring, making the noise in the class, creating the activities in the corridor, and so on. So, with a great zeal, come and enjoy learning. Thank you.
आप रोज एक पाठ का वाचन करें, उसमें से कठिन शब्दों के अर्थ निकालिए और उसका अर्थ लिखिए. साथ ही साथ आप उस पर से प्रश्न तैयार कीजिए, शब्द संपदा की ओर ध्यान दीजिए और लेखन की विधाओं पर ध्यानपूर्वक अभ्यास कीजिए. धन्यवाद. घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए.
लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, आप लोग सब अपने अपने घर पर एक छोटा सा मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ. If you can't go outside, go inside. If you can't go outside, go inside. अगर आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते और जाना भी नहीं है तो अपने भीतर जाओ. भीतर जाने का मतलब है खुद की सीमाओं पर लांघो, खुद को पहचानो, खुद के अंदर के कलाकार को पहचानो, खुद को एक्सप्लोर करो. लाइफ में क्या बन सकते हो, लाइफ में क्या कर सकते हो, इसके बारे में सोचो. एक छोटा सा मैसेज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया. बाकी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, बाहर जाना नहीं है, घर पर ही रहो. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.
पता है आप घर बैठ के कंटाल गए रहेंगे, पर क्या करें, घर में रहना ही हमारे सेहत के लिए अच्छा है. तो चलो हम लोग थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज और योगा करते हैं. समझो कि प्रकार आप अपने घर के सदस्यों के साथ भी कीजिए. इसके साथ आप ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज भी कीजिए. वैसे आपके घर में बना खाना आपके सेहत के लिए अच्छा है. तो जाते जाते मैं आपको एक मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ. एवरीडे इज अनदर चांस. एवरीडे इज अनदर चांस टू गेट स्ट्रॉन्गर, टू ईट बेटर, टू लिव हेल्दियर and to be the best version of you. Thank you.
Hello students, myself Kanchan. Earlier in standard 11, you have already learned subject OCM, that is Organization of Commerce and Management. It means organization and management of all the available resources to the best possible manner. That is optimum utilization of all the available resources. Similarly, in this present situation at home also, whatever resources are available, we have to use it to the best possible manner and try to avoid wastages of resources. Students, avoid going out. Be satisfied with the available resources so that we can meet at college as early as possible. Students, please take care and be safe. Thank you.
Hello students, myself Pinky Jani. Hope you all are in good health. As you all aware about ABT, that is application based test for 20 marks. This is objective based test. Application based test along with theory exams like present lockdown situation which is difficult for us to digest. But the knowledge of many commercial terms enhances your marks. So utilize this time to recollect your commercial terms to increase your subject knowledge. Student, concentrate, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello students, myself Pandey Pratibha. As we all know that we are under a state of lockdown for our own safety. But you can utilize this time in a productive manner. You can go through various online employability skill improvement program like Tata Steel is offering advanced Excel course at ₹1. You can also search for so many other programs and tell your friends too, which will help them to fetch some basic job even during the vacation. This is how you can contribute in a growth and development of our economy by creating job opportunities. Students, you can also go through the e-books of this academic year. Go through the topic which will give you the basic idea of the content that we are going to study in this year. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello, myself Asabi, and on behalf of Santosh sir, Rajesh sir and Shubham sir, I want to talk to you all. Students, we have to go through the process of online admissions. Admissions for all classes needs to be done. So when you are coming on to your meeting, come with smiling faces for us to update your names in the school register. We all are waiting for you.
किशोर मामा, हरी मामा, संजय मामा, विकास मामा, दीपाली आणि भारती बाई आम्ही सर्व जण आपल्या शाळेच्या गेटवर आम्ही वाट पाहत आहोत की तुम्ही शाळेत हसत खुशीने याल, म्हणून तुम्ही लवकरात लवकर शाळेत हसत मुखाने यावे अशी आम्ही अपेक्षा करतो. धन्यवाद.
संजय मामा, हरी मामा, सुरेश मामा, विकास मामा, हरिमावती, भारतीबाई आम्ही सर्वजण आपल्या शाळेच्या गेटवर तुम्ही सर्व वाट पाहता. तुम्ही सर्वजण हसमुख चेहऱ्याने हसत खेळत शाळेत याल ही अपेक्षा करतो.
And I hope you are doing fine. And also hope that you are not wasting this time only with gadgets. And like our good student, revise all your subjects. And when everything in control, we can get back to school and continue learning. I want to say here that at present you are not stuck at home, but you are safe at home. My dear students, please take care of yourself and your family and be a responsible student and citizen of our nation. Thank you.